Welcome to my channel, guys. Good morning. So this is my farm. So this is where we get our drinking water uh, from deep well. All right. So this morning we will harvest a ripe pineapple. Okay. So aside from calamansi, I have what do you call this? Litundang. So here's our pineapple. It's harvested, guys.